Hey lovies, welcome to my cooking channel. I'm Rukia Laltia. Let's learn how to make this delicious thick chicken stew without using any tomatoes. Without further any ado, let's begin with this recipe. In a bowl, you're going to add some chicken, some salt, black pepper, garam masala, turmeric powder, ginger and garlic paste, curry powder, lemon or some lime. Then mix everything well and nice and let the chicken to marinate for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to need one potato. You're going to peel the potato and cut the potato into four. Then afterwards you're going to need a large onion. Then cut the onion into thin slices like so. Once you're done, take a small pot, add the potatoes with some water and place it on fire and let the potatoes to boil until they become super soft. Once soft, you're going to mash the potatoes using a fork. And it's high time to make this delicious thick chicken stew. I'm going to give you a secret on how to make thick chicken stew without using tomatoes. So let's begin. You're going to place a pan on a medium heat and add some oil with some onions. And bake the onions or cook the onions until golden brown. Once golden brown, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste with a quarter cup of water. Mix. Then afterwards, you're going to add 1 piece of bay leaf. Bay leaf is to add a good aroma into your food. Then afterwards, you're going to add your marinated chicken with 1 cube of Royco, like Kenyans. With Royco, we are nothing, like we love Royco. Then afterwards, add some oil, then cover and let the chicken to cook on a medium heat until nicely cooked. Once your chicken is nicely cooked, so here's the secret to make your stew to become thick and super delicious. So the potato that we've mashed in the beginning, we're going to add the potato in it. It's going to make your chicken or your stew to become super thick and super tasty. Let the chicken to cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes more. Then your chicken stew will be ready and serve it immediately in a bowl. And our thick chicken stew is ready. Like this chicken stew, it's super tasty. You can serve along with some chapati, with some mandazi, with some rice or anything that you like, and enjoy your chicken stew. Please kindly don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and kindly follow me on all my social medias. I use Rukia's Kitchen or Rukia Laltia. Doo-doo.